Financial or corporate reporting is a course that once you are an accounting student, you cannot escape, either at the tertiary or the professional level. To be a qualified accountant in any institution or organization, you have to pass financial reporting or corporate reporting exams. Corporate reporting or financial reporting is a major course that one cannot escape once you are pursuing a field in accountancy. Despite its relevance, financial reporting or corporate reporting had been hurdle for almost every student. As an experienced tutor of the course, few feedbacks gathered from students revealed that most students have problems in understanding and solving practical samples or practical questions when it comes to financial reporting or corporate reporting. In view of this, RONAS Academy is here to help you clear your hurdle and challenges when it comes to corporate reporting or financial reporting using our online tutorial, that is YouTube. At RONAS, we will help you comprehend the concepts and principles of all standards, as well as establishing your understanding in solving all practical questions that may come under any of the international accounting standard or international financial reporting standards. With this, it will help you in passing all your financial reporting or corporate reporting exams with an ease. So subscribe, share, and like for more valuable content on all accounting standards. RONAS, comprehending the complications. Thank you.